Well, what's up, guys? We are going to be putting in a fun item. Me and Micah are hanging out in the garage. He's working on the Basehead Garage voltmeter or wattometer. Today we're going to be doing something a little fun. I've been enjoying the single 12, but I want to change it up this week. So we're going to finally test fire and bang the Down4Sound DVX 18. We're going to just be for fun. This is literally just for fun. Using that awesome Custom by Audio JD box, the 18. I'm building some little spacers here to put on the floorboard, and then we'll have a single 18 right in the middle, running off the 5K. Let's see how it turns out. Ooh, check out what Micah's working on. The Basehead Garage watt meter. He's getting all the wires tuned up and ready to ride. And then we'll also put that in the truck and see all the wattage that goes to the 18 and the wattage that was going to the 12. So as many of you guys know, that 18 was destined for my buddy Hunter's 4Runner, but he had some changes in his life and he had to move, and so there were some hiccups in the way. So I asked him, hey man, I want to have fun. I've been staring at this 18 and I want to have fun with it. So let me put it in the truck and let's show everybody that thing fucking smack. So to put under that box so it doesn't teeter-totter on the tranny hump, I'm just taking a couple 2x4s to make some spacers to put on either side. You'll see when it's all put up. So what Mike is doing here on the base head thing is we're putting a little bit of Tech Flex and kind of making a wire harness so that we can install a little bit easier. And then we'll have all the slack that goes with the different things. But this thing takes a couple different things to get going and to hook up to the conductor, I believe that's what it is, transducer or something like that. And that was so stupid, but yeah, I love the Tech Flex. It's something that I really enjoy using. I keep a couple different sizes and then some extra speaker wire just in case. But do you guys keep a bunch of Tech Flex around your garage for your projects? Let me know in the comments. So got the plastics out so we can run it down with all the other wires, pop out with all the amplifiers, and Mike is just figuring out exactly how we're going to run it under the dash. Look at this beauty. This was done by, obviously, Custom Audio by JD4, the Bangin Bros, and it is 31.7 hertz. It might not be the perfect orientation for putting it in the pickup truck. I think a sub forward port up might be the best orientation. Well, I guess you could turn. It doesn't matter. I want to put it in like this and see what it sounds like. But it was made for a Toyota 4Runner 2020, and so it's really made for the back of a cargo hatch. But we wanted to have some fun and kind of show it off, and we'll squeeze it. And you already know the Down4Sound DVX 18. This is a subwoofer that got Hunt, and we haven't been able to, we did the free air testing on it, we did something like that, but not put it in a system to actually hear what it sounds like. So this is exciting because I want to hear how loud this damn thing is and how well it takes the power off of my Stetson Bravo Bass 5000. Want to get an 18 for yourself? Down4Sound's got them. Go over there to down4soundshop.com, use coupon code BANGINBROS at checkout. They got the DVX line of woofers at 1700 watts RMS. They have the Street Beat series, that's the entry level. Those are 500 watt. I think they could take double. And then you have the DBZ line at 1300 watts. All great subwoofers from down4soundshop.com. So I'm ready to hear what it sounds like. So I'm getting all the wires ready to go for the 18. Got the ends on them. A couple of jumpers ready to put on the 18. It's the hardware method. So yeah, there you have it. We're all hardwired in. Nice wire. The big beefy spring terminals on the DVX made it nice and easy. I love that. So now we just got to pop this thing in and check it out. And shabam, man, that looks good. I don't have no lights on the inside, but it's pretty sweet. Shit. Well, we got it all ready to go, but then it started raining. So we're gonna give it a minute and get back to it. Check out Custom Audio by JD on Facebook and Instagram. Spelled just like his name, Custom Audio by JD. He builds a lot of dope boxes, and this one is was built for us and shipped to me. And then he also did, he also did my 4.8 box that's hanging out back here, taking a vacation. Tell me this isn't a Custom Speaker Pods family. I got the dual 8s in mine, and then Micah, we got to put him a new tweeter, but Micah's got the dual 6.5 with the extra tweet up top. Sweet. Gotta love them CSPs, baby. If you want to enhance your vocal game, go over and check out CustomSpeakerPods.com. They make all the pods we use here, and this is the dual 8 from my 97 Suburban, but they're adding so many new items to the catalog weekly. And if you use coupon code Bangin Bros, you'll get a discount on every single pod. That's a guarantee there, brother. All American made plastics, exact fit, molded by my boy Brandon. Go check them out. All right, so now we're at this stage. So Micah got the watt meter installed right there. And now he's just grabbing some of the wires so we can pull the 12 out and put the 18 in. This will be fun. Mike is just trying to figure out that the finishing touches on the watt meter, but go check out Basshead Garage. They have the watt meters and they have the decibel reader that I used in previous videos. So, pulled the 12 box out. This thing can hang out for a while, and then the 18 can go in. This is that box done by Dave Marin, high output enclosures. It was made for a Wolfram AG version 1 or something like that, so it's not really the right airspace, but the spark has been hanging and banging pretty good in there. But man, that's just a big old box. That's why I really need a smaller box, and I wasn't able to really catch the peak of this woofer's performance. I'm just gonna grab one of these. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with it. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It ain't like, you know. We'll put one slug each, whichever way, I don't think, whichever one will fit better on both sides. So it'll have a more secure platform, but nothing like tied down or anything, because this is just temporary. Well, I'll be damned. That big boy fits. Pretty good too, I might add. Leaves me a little bit of room for groceries. I can put a gallon or two of milk there. Maybe some eggs on the other side. Oh yeah, buddy. The double B's right there in the middle. Well, we took it out and now it is so smelly. That new woofer break-in is incredibly strong. I hope that's exactly what it is. But we were sending it, you know, over 2,500 watts there. And we got it up to about 2,900 watts on earlier tests. But it was taking that wattage without a problem. So, hey, there's the overrating of the 1,700 watts that this woofer takes. Well, the woofer sounds really good. It bangs pretty darn hard. We're having a good time. It really needs to break in. It is so tight and brand new out of the box, and it's just been sitting and chilling that it needs some break-in time. So I'm gonna just take it easy on it, a little bit here, a little bit here, and kind of break it in slowly because I don't want to blow it or mess it up or anything. But the box sounds really good. Good punchy 18 right now. After it breaks in, I think it'll be a lot smoother for the lows and whatnot. But hey, very impressed. I love it. Sounds awesome. I think it would sound better in the 4Runner, but it sounds pretty darn good in there. So as you saw here, we did get 25 on this test, but this little watt meter is pretty cool. Shows your real-time ohms and the wattage that it's actually being played right there through the subwoofer. So it's pretty cool. Nice little reader from BassheadGarage.com. I think these are available right now. What'd you think about it, Micah?
Man, it sounds good. It's a banger. It gets down.
It gets down. We just need 4 more for your Suburban.
Right. Right.
Oh yeah.